A little backtesting on market structure. Kind of similar like the last video, but really I'm looking at higher time frame market structure. I am currently in this short. I pre-took the short because of levels and other confluences. But what I didn't get is a BOS, right? We've had a very clear pushing up market structure. So this needs to break before we could go lower. It is starting to look weaker. There is that saying for how many times it'll push up or retraces a little bit. I guess really what I'm trying to say is what other confluences do you have to kind of take these trades before you have the break structure confirmation? Right off the bat, I do have money flow coming out on the 3-minute time frame, and we had some bearish divergence. The market structure I was really looking at is like the 6-minute. Bearish divergence on there. On the 5-minute it was though. If it was coming up though. I'm gonna stick to that 3, 6, 12 fractal. Speaking of the 12, the 12 did have a bearish divergence with the money flow peaking on that. If we take a look at Bookmap even, the orders are starting to push on these orders right here. $97,900. Has some interesting things going on. But for the most part, we could be pushing on these orders. $97,900 on Bookmap would put us all the way up in this supply up here. Okay. Wow. And there's our potential break structure. Not on Blowfin though. Now we have orders at 96.9, 96.8, and 96.6. Let's see, this candle actually closed below there. 96.9. Where we're at right now. 96.8. 96.6. So here, here, and here pretty much. And we just tapped 96.9. It looks like it's not broken though. At least on Bookmap. Trying still. I guess it'd be a good time to show the fractal of where you can potentially move your stop loss. Like for instance on this trade, I no longer need to put it behind here because this made that push which broke here, right? So that's protected. That's where I was hiding my stop loss. I can now safely move it there, which turns my trade into a 10 to 1, which is really good risk to reward. We're going to target there. Second target down here. That's a 16 to 1 on that. How was that break? 2 minutes, good candle close. I mean, even on the 2 minute, it's a good market structure. The reason why I wasn't following 2 and 3 minute, because of the choppiness that we're seeing. It is the weekend. Volume's low. Yeah, this made that high. This made that high. This made that high. Yeah, and there's your candle close. I mean, that's a solid break. You could have a little push back into here. But whatever that push is, you're going to want to hope that it pushes down again and breaks, this pivot. Wow, look at that. Volume. So we did just break through that level. Okay. It's a big momentum wave. I like that. Right, like this big push down is a lot better than these little pushes. On the 6 minute, plenty of red candles down. A lot of buyback happening. About a minute till that candle closes. I'm hoping this isn't like one of these. I really like it. Go ahead and just pull fibs on that range. That's the wrong way. Go fib from that high to this low. We were rejecting off the 786. So it's a deep mitigation. It's a good R&R, right? You can safely put your stop loss there. So we take this, we're going to take that. Hence why I'm looking for a trade at that high. And other confluences. Big buyback there. I need to get Coinalyze up. Let's go back to 2 minute. I could look to add to my trade here if I want to bring this. If I want to keep the same risk. What do I mean by that? So like my initial risk on trades is $50. That's what I'm comfortable risking. I could add to this. Nice way down. Just thinking. Come back in. I'm gonna at least add. How much do we have in? 18,000. Add in another 9,000. Make it $25 risk. See if it'll push up a little bit more. This is good. Should be about the 414. Go ahead and add that. So stop loss is now 32. A little bit more than that 25. More, still more than a 10 to 1 down there. Take out a lot there. I'm going to edit that to be 60%. So close short limit order. Why is it BTC? That's frustrating. Okay. So I move. Oh, it stays in the middle. Okay. So it's 10.7, and I need to make it. At least 15. 11. We'll change that to 9. A little bit more. That's fine. Actually, no. This there. Major TP there though. Okay. And let the rest ride down to there. I'm liking that a lot more. Like 18, right? So it would be 159. So I'm risking 31 for 159 on that part. On that TP there. Or actually a little less than 17. Oh no, never mind. Go ahead. There's not a real big buyback. I'm filling that gap. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and make this 50 there. So I need I'm at 27. I need at least 20,000. Need me a little more. 15. Okay. Let's get rid of that. So now I'm risking still a 10 to 1 down there. A 7 to 1 on that. I'm going to set a limit order to 96 euro. Let's do 1049. Should be like right there. You know, in case we front run. And I'm gonna take out 60%. which would be $240, which is about a 612. That's a 4-to-1. This is actually like a 4-to-1 trade right there. This is my take profit. Mitigated the 0.5. Order blocks right here. It's already starting to tap it. This would be a good spot to reject. I'd like to start seeing it reject. Which would be really nice, because if we reject here, right? So, market structure like that. If we reject here, and then break this low, that's your market structure. Which means we get to hide our stop loss right here, which happens to be would be a break even. So then I wouldn't be risking anything on this trade. And how is that right? I took out 96.04. Oh yeah, 2. That's right. Okay. B2 down there. Yeah, I like that a lot. Now at this point, like, we've done everything we can to manage this trade. We can watch market structure, kind of trail our stop loss, but everything's out of our hands. It's up to the market makers' price action. We have tapped liquidity. It came down. It wouldn't make come down to that liquidity. Still coming up, huh? Let's see. Can actually move this there. A nice wick off the 618. Right. That's enough of this.